Do you want to go from this to this? Then you need to watch this video. According to several hairstylists and experts, one of the major reasons for hair breakage is dryness of the hair. Once I realized this, I started doing the hair seal method, which is highly recommended to help prevent hair breakage. The hair seal method helps to retain moisture in the hair and prevents dryness of the hair. Now, the L stands for leave-in or liquid, the C stands for cream, and the O stands for oil, to help prevent the hair from getting dry and breaking, which would result in longer hair. This Mega Growth Break Free Daily Leave-In Strengthener is one of the best leave-in conditioner for natural 4C hair. It is made with shea butter, avocado oil, wheat protein, soy protein, soya bean oil, and aloe leaf extract that help to strengthen, restore, and repair the hair. The natural oils and conditioning proteins help to strengthen the hair, defends against breakage and split ends. It has a lovely color, great slip which makes hair detangling easy, smells amazing, and also helps keeps the hair strands hydrated for a long time. So if you want longer, healthier, and stronger hair, then go get your own Mega Growth Break Free Daily Leave-In Strengthener now.